Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got my little 10-year-old with me, and because it's half term and we're going to make a couple of dishes that he quite likes and that's easy to make and good sort of kid-friendly family foods, yeah. So the first one we're going to make today is taco rice, and it's vegan. Kid is not vegan, but I mostly only do vegan food. So on top of it we're going to have some olives, and you quite like olives, don't you? But your brother doesn't, so he will just have to take them off. So the first thing we do is to boil the rice, and we use, this is your guys' favourite rice, right? The organic short grain brown rice, because you're not too fond of the smarty, right? Yeah. Of course, it would be really nice with white rice, but it contains, it's stripped of nutrients, so we don't want to use that because we really want a lot of nutrients, don't we?
Yeah.
Why do we want a lot of nutrients?
It's good for you.
Yeah, keeps us healthy, so yeah. Boom. So this is all you need for this taco rice. First of all, the rice. So this is short grain brown rice and olives. Taco spice, this is the mixed taco spice that you get from the supermarket. I'm going to have 1 celery stalk, 1 red bell pepper, a little bit of tomato, lettuce, 1 onion that we're going to fry, and also 1 garlic clove, a bit of tomato puree, some stock powder, some water as well, and tamari, and also pinto beans. So start by boiling your rice, and then wash all the vegetables. Good, okay, so cutting, yeah, very good. Another pepper.
No.
It depends how big sizes you want in your taco rice.
I want a bit smaller than that.
Okay, yeah.
Like half of it.
You can start and then I can do the rest if you want to.
Is that enough? But
Great.
one more.
Yeah, claw them in. Claw them in. Perfect. Great. Excellent work.
I say to do a bit smaller.
Yeah, I can do
A lot
that.
smaller.
And there's the garlic and also the yellow onion. I helped him a little bit to make it a tiny bit smaller, and also the celery quite small. The rice is cooking, and now I'm going to fry up the vegetables in my cast iron pan. First some coconut oil in there, just I can take high temperature. And I'm adding the yellow onion. I'm going to make that slightly soft before I put in the rest of the vegetables. And then when that's done, I'm adding the pepper and the celery and the garlic. And then the stock powder, about a tablespoon, and some water as well. The taco spices, pre-mixed. Basically everything. 3 tablespoons. The tomato puree. A bit of tamari. Not too much because you've got that stock powder in there already. And the pinto beans. And let this simmer for a while. Not too long, just a couple of minutes. And pepper. While that is simmering, I'm just cutting up a little bit of tomatoes. So these are the small ones, so I'm just going to halve them, otherwise you can just slice them or quarter them. And then also a bit of salad. And the olives, I'm going to cut out the stone and just quarter them basically. And then I'm just adding the rice straight into the pan and mix it up. Here is the taco rice. Watch out because it's hot. So at the bottom you put a bit of salad leaves.
Okay.
Yeah, great. And then you actually take some of that and put that on top.
Actually.
Yeah. This is, I think it's for 4 people. You can of course have more. And then on top of that, you put a bit of tomato and then some of those. Yeah, great.
It's like the Nando's rice.
Ooh! Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
How many stars out of 10?
8.
That's pretty good.
Mm.
Great. So here's our taco rice with taco seasoning, just the ordinary one from Old El Paso for tacos, and it tastes really nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and come back for the next video in not too long, I hope. Have a fabulous week. Take care. Bye.